Hey everybody, welcome back to the workbench. I do have a new project that I kind of want to go through the build process with you guys. We have a new instrument to me, a new type of instrument to me. I'll be building it as well as learning how to use it. So let's open it up and take a look what's inside. This is a DIY kit, so basically you take all these components, put them onto this circuit board, and assemble all the other hardware, and you basically have yourself a analog synthesizer. Let me get this a little bit more organized, then we can start populating the circuit board, because that's going to be the first thing that we do. finished up all the resistors yesterday. I usually do those first because, get in here closer, they all pretty much have a very low profile. They don't stick out very far from the circuit board, so they don't really get in the way. Now I'm going to try to work from the inside of the board out, so that when I'm soldering, I can still get the soldering iron in to all of these pads that are on the inside of the board. The rest of the components are a much similar process to the resistors. Basically, find where the components go on the schematic and solder them in place. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Next time we'll be finishing up the project by completing the faceplate and putting it inside an enclosure, so be sure to check back next week for that final video. And a big thank you to all my patrons on Patreon. Without your support, a lot of these videos just wouldn't be able to get made, so thank you so much for supporting Odd Quartet.